Inglés 4, Grupo Javier Barro Sierra. Equipo 3, Making Predictions about Environmental Problems. Alumnos Alfredo Cruz Stephanie, Almaraz Domínguez Yared, Godínez Hidalgo Carla Paula, Guillén González Sara, Ortega Espinosa Alan y Silva Rangel Diana. First problem, curious fact. Did you know that there's a climate clock that shows the window of time that passes while the planet continues to deteriorate? It is a way of warning that if the climate crisis is getting worse, the political leaders will continue to question the environmental reality. The clock tells us that we must act now. We have a little more than 7 years to achieve a fundamental transition of our energy system. And it gave us the opportunity to fight to prevent the global temperature from exceeding 1.5 degrees, which scientists have determined is a point of no return, explains Gan Gowland.
Causes and consequences. Among the causes are deforestation, the increase in greenhouse gases, accelerated population growth, and consumerism. The consequences are death, immigration, and extinction of different animal species. And if this continues to happen, there will be a great loss of biodiversity, water pollution, water phenomena, and if consumerism continues, there will be depletion of human resources.
How it will affect your life in 5 years' time? In a few years, if we still don't do anything about it, what will happen will be that there will be a significant loss of biodiversity, worsening water scarcity, droughts, and fires, as well as sea level rise and increased frequency of storms. Possible solutions. You could start with reducing car use and starting to use bicycles and public transport, using renewable energies, making responsible use of water, and planting trees. If you carry out this action, you could help eradicate the environmental crisis.
Now, Sarah is going to explain the second curious fact.
One fascinating fact is that 99% of all species that ever existed on Earth are extinct. Activists relate to the environment tries to defend the space that inhabit our planet, but few knows that fact.
Causes and consequences. If we destroy a habitat of species, we'll degrade an ecosystem. And if we go hunting, we'll lose species that inhabit our planet. The consequences are that if we deforest and burn fossil fuels, climate change will increase. If climate change increases, species will become extinct. And if species become extinct, world famine will increase.
How it will affect your life in 5 years' time. Everything that gives us oxygen, the trees will be gradually die. That will cause it to be too hot. The animals will be gradually die. Many species of plants and animals will be disappear due to the consequences of climate change. They will no longer populate the planet. Possible solutions. Use public transport. Don't waste food. Switch to renewables. It generates less waste.
Thank you for your attention.